Welcome to this video on smart electricity meters. We are transitioning from the mechanical age to the digital age of energy. We will tear down a smart meter to examine its internal architecture and understand its transformative impact on our global power grid. The industry is shifting to advanced metering infrastructure. Unlike traditional analog meters that measure power passively and require manual readings, smart meters measure in real time, communicate autonomously, and exchange data continuously. Every smart meter operates on a four-step internal loop, sensing voltage and current, calculating active power, securely logging this data into non-volatile memory, and finally, communicating data bursts to the utility provider. How is physics converted into digital data? Specialized sensors monitor electrical lines, sending raw signals to the energy metering IC. This, brain, converts these analog signals into precise digital measurements using the formula voltage times current times power factor. Smart meters use remote latching relays to connect or disconnect service. When the utility sends a signal, a solenoid creates a magnetic field, physically pulling an armature to open or close the circuit. This allows for instantaneous control without needing a field technician. Meters communicate autonomously through cellular or mesh networks. They even include a last gasp sequence. If the grid fails, a capacitor provides just enough power to send a final distress signal with the exact location of the blackout. Both consumers and utilities benefit from this technology. Consumers receive accurate bills and better data, while utilities gain improved grid forecasting, faster outage response, and more effective management of renewable energy sources. However, there are challenges to consider. We must manage risks related to data privacy, cybersecurity vulnerabilities, high infrastructure costs, and social concerns regarding automated service disconnection and potential billing spikes. In summary, smart meters combine sensors, mechanics, and wireless technology into a single node. They are the essential digital foundation for a future power grid that is self-healing and supports two-way renewable energy distribution.